It's Rick here with your market recap for Wednesday, September the 14th. This will likely be a very short video because not a whole lot happened today. Starting where we always do with our risk model, really no change today. The Qs were up 0.8%, small caps up 0.4%. Standard & Poor's up 0.4%, and mid caps basically flat, and Toronto was up 0.4%. So really small gains, but nothing to change the model. As far as the sectors go, a smattering of green and red, which is kind of what you expect on most days. On the upside, looks like oil had a strong day. The oil services, the energy index were up over around 3%, 3% plus. And on the downside, nothing really strikes out. Real estate's having a tough time, and materials and steel stocks were down, but sort of a nothing day in the market. Getting not so for my own portfolio. Had a great day. I recovered all of the loss from yesterday. With I have 5 positions. 4 of the 5 positions were up greater than 2% today. So we'll do a quick review of those. I'm assuming I can get my charts to work. Here we go. So let's go back to the indexes. Small caps. It's interesting today. It undercut. Remember yesterday's video? I said if we gap below and then rip higher, that would be very bullish. This actually opened slightly positive and then went down, took out yesterday's low, but then recovered. So I'm not sure what to make of it, but it's not terribly bullish and it's not terribly bearish. So it's more a neutral day. So not sure where we're going to go from here. Mid caps, similar picture, except they closed very slightly lower than where they opened. But again, they undercut yesterday's low, which doesn't bode well, but then closed basically where it opened yesterday. Qs didn't take out yesterday's low, came right to it and then bounced slightly. So this could go either way. I think I suggested yesterday that we could rip back up here, which would be following this these drawings here that I put on, or we could go down this way. I don't know. I'm sort of undecided. I'll just follow and do what the market tells us to do tomorrow. But given that indecision, I did lighten up on a couple of positions today. The S&P, pretty much the same story. Undercut slightly, but then recovered, had a really strong close, and closed basically where it opened. So it could go either way tomorrow. For my own positions, ARLP had another good day, up 2.9%. It's actually viable here. I may add to this position with a stop underneath here, and that's almost a 6% stop. So buying it tomorrow above right in the $26 area, and with a stop under here is about a 6% stop. It's a little rich for me. Normally I like to keep my stops around 3%, but I would just size accordingly. Just keep a smaller share position. Enphase had another remarkable day. We're up almost 5% on the day and closed right near the high, and zeroing in on another all-time high. So my cost base now, my first position, completely out of my second position, my average cost is around $299. So we're up 4% on that. EVH again made a new, very close to a new high. This bar today was a very much wider than the last few. So I did actually take half off. I had 2 positions. I had a half position here. I took this position off and I bought this yesterday, and I'm leaving this position on, but my stop is at my break-even point. So can't lose on that one. GLP, another good day. keeps wedging up. Again, not knowing where the market's going tomorrow, I took half of this off, took the nice profit, and my stop is at break even on the other half. So I'm a little bit chicken, a little gun shy. Right now, I'm 50% cash, 50% invested in my trading account, and of course, still nothing in the index or sector fund accounts. So I'm just being a little more cautious. Harmonics, again, a good day. It did go to a new 52-week high, but then peeled back during the day. So close eye on this one. My stop is now right here under yesterday's low. So that's it. Tomorrow could go up, could go down, could go sideways. We'll just wake up and follow what happens. Take care.